Here is the unboxing of my new Rolex submariner. Just bought it yesterday. How beautiful is this? Just a great day to get it. What's like this? So this is the new model, the 126610 LM. It's just amazing. So it has this glide lock. I already sized it from my 6.8-inch wrist. Look at the cyclops. It's just, you can see the 16 how small it is, but after the cyclops you can see how, I think it is 2.5x magnified after once you see through the cyclops. Yeah, you definitely need a submariner in your collection. This is definitely my go-to watch now onwards. So beautiful, so beautiful. So the mechanism is same. It's a screwed down one, right? Yeah, so you have to wind it pretty good in order to make it waterproof. So once you take this out, then you have to wind it, of course, in order to give this machine kind of power. And then you have to push a little bit like this and then wind it in order to get the waterproofing. Yeah, this is it. So make sure it's tight. Yeah, man, this is definitely one of the watches that every watch enthusiast and horologist used to have. Can you see this? How magnified it is? I think it is 2.5x. And here the unidirectional bezel sound. Oh wow, that's definitely one of its kind. So unique. The its click is, it's amazing. Like I just asked for this watch and I just got it in time. Okay, so the way it works is how the diver works with this. So they set this triangle to the minute hand, and from that minute hand they actually calculate how much oxygen they have based on how much it rotates from the minute hand, from the triangle. So this is definitely, it's one of its kind. It's very iconic. I think in Rolex you always get I believe two pieces are always unique. One is like showstopper, right? So the Submariner date and as well as the Daytona. I prefer the Panda, but there are several versions in rose gold, steel, or something. Yeah, it's just so amazing to have a piece like this. And as I told in my earlier video, I just got it in time. just asked her to get me this in 15 July and 55th of July, so it's really amazing. So yeah guys, so if you have any questions, so please let me know. I'll do another unboxing video for this. But anyway, thank you.